What is going on, everybody? We are starting the week here. It is Monday. SPY is flat, surprisingly. Super early in the pre-market hours here. We were down about 2 points, but since we have recovered, came and touched Friday's close a few times here. Kind of drifting a little bit lower. Looks like it might sell off maybe at the open or something. Who knows? Really not too much to pay attention to. Typical pot stocks are in play. They're gapping up a little bit. Cron's up 6%, TLRY is up about 6%. ATVI just popped on my scanner here not too long ago. You can see it was up a little bit at one point, and now it just kind of sold off pretty hard. It actually got upgraded, and not really sure why it's selling off, but it is selling off, so might have a decent gap and go set up here. Need to be a little careful though, because 75.20 is going to be a probable point of support, but spread's about 40 cents, so we'll see what happens here at the open. Looks like SPY's moving up a little bit. Qs are dropping. None of the pot stocks look good for opening play here, so I'm going to let them go. Maybe an opening range will happen. Got stuck at that 98 there. Yeah, it's getting stopped at this 80, and there it breaks. If we fail here, this could definitely be a good short. Probably risking about 40 cents, I'd say. It makes sense to get bought up. I mean, it got upgraded, so. So we're not doing too much. Really not much of anything right now. Just kind of sideways for the first couple minutes here. Nice bearish engulfing candle would be pretty nice here. Ooh, we might get something. I'm in. Nope, didn't like it, so I'm out. So we got stuck at that 40 there. SPY's dropping here, but ATVI is just not really moving with it. it's not really my setup anymore. I think I just need to stay away from it. Can't quite tell, but something going on with this 39.40. I don't know if I go back over the tape if I'll be able to see it or not, but I think we just broke underneath now. Don't see any good opening range plays either, so I don't think there's going to be anything for the rest of the morning. Yeah, ATVI is sitting right at a somewhat recent support level. I'll turn it back on if I see something. Okay, I'm looking at CGC here. We just came back towards the VWAP again for the second time. Not liking the market too much on long side of this, but if we keep wanting to hold this 20 level, I'm going to try and get in a little bit. I think I might have just missed my opportunity right now. Headed exactly what I needed to see. I just wasn't in it, I guess. I don't know. First attempt, second attempt, and took off from there. Okay, I think I'm gonna call it here. I'm just gonna be honest. I'm just really not in it to win it today. I've just had a bunch of things on my mind. I'm leaving this Wednesday to go to San Diego. I got a really big lifting day today that I've just been really thinking about for a long time, I guess. I don't know why I'm putting so much pressure on myself, but I really can't get it out of my mind. Just trying to deadlift 500 pounds, and I mean, it's been a goal of mine for some time now, and today's finally the day that I'm going for it, and I can't stop thinking about it. Just when I'm eating, everything else that's going into it, you know, how well my sleep was, how well I'm actually going to feel going into the workout. So I mean, my mind's just not on trading right now, and taking the loss, you know, didn't help at all. But just doing a quick recap, ATVI showed up on my scanner probably 5 minutes before the open. For some reason it was dropping on good news. I mean, it got upgraded. Really nothing upgrades Activision to overweight, raises their price target, and we just sold off. So I guess in this case, you know, I'm fighting against the news, but I mean, that doesn't always matter so much. But, you know, for these gap and go trades, you know, usually the case always is that, you know, the news correlates with the price action. So, you know, I kind of went against it. You know, these trades, they either work immediately or they don't. So, I mean, I took the quick loss on it. I mean, you know, the win rate on most of these trades is like 80%. So it's not, you know, this is just one of those times, I guess, where I got to take a loss, and that's just the way it is. You know, the other winners have plenty made up for the loss. So, I mean, $200 isn't really that big a deal or nothing. So, but I don't know, just kind of where my head's at right now. I might end up coming back to trade tomorrow. You know, if not, then I'm just going to have to come back next Monday, really taking the whole week off. I mean, we'll just see what happens, I guess. I mean, I'll come back and look at the market every now and then, especially today, to see if I missed anything else. But as it is right now, the only trade that I know I missed was on CGC. I mean, my head just wasn't in it whenever we just got to this point here. You know, it tapped once, came back again, took off from that point, and I just missed it. You know, I just wasn't wasn't focused enough. I wasn't in the flow of things. TLRY might be doing something right now, but it's not ideal. You know, the 9's above it, so now price is just getting shoved in between. Really just nothing that I'm seeing that I'm liking. So the SPY's been pretty much sideways. I mean, I don't really know. I've never taken any trades on the SPY, so I'm pretty much wanting to treat it the exact same that I would, you know, trade any other stock. You know, if I see a setup, trap trader trade, some SMB VWAP something, you know, then I'd be looking to take it. VXX actually. Same here. I was looking at a trade right about here for an entry because the SPY was moving. SPY was just had a huge pop on this candle here, and then it started kind of retreating from that point, and then just didn't take this one. This one would have been a pretty solid winner, but just didn't take it. I don't know. I'm just not super comfortable about taking trades that aren't in, you know, my realm of stocks that I've been trading. You know, trading these ETFs and whatnot. It's just not what I've ever done, not what I've been doing, and I don't know. I was dropping through VWAP now, kind of getting to here. Like, the only thing that I can really think of on these kind of plays is, you know, taking something long if it decides to fail somewhere around here to move any lower. I guess by a pivot point, but you know, maybe there's something over here, but again, there's just nothing special, so you know, who knows. So finish the day down 217. Easy money to make back someday, just not today. So I'll be back when I'm gonna be back. Thanks for watching.